What care can I take at home? Some do's and don'ts. Active child. Cough will subside gradually if the child is well and playful. Hydration. Increase intake of lukewarm water and other fluids. Saline drops, used to thin nasal secretions, improving comfort and sleep. Avoid OTC syrups, not useful, can be harmful. Consult your pediatrician. Honey may reduce cough severity, 1 to 2 tablespoons, 3 to 4 times a day. Avoid in children under 1 year. Avoid irritants. Keep the home free of smoke, 𝐜𝐴𝐺𝐝, deodorants, and mosquito repellents. Humidifier. Use a cool mist humidifier in the child's bedroom. Warm fluids. Give small quantities frequently to help with feeding and comfort.